Did you know that some of the foods you eat every day could secretly be hurting your kidneys? It's true. What you eat really matters for keeping your kidneys healthy, but a lot of common foods can actually damage them without you realizing. Imagine your kidneys like filters in your body. They clean out waste and extra fluids from your blood, help balance important chemicals, and make hormones that control blood pressure and red blood cells. But when your kidneys get hurt, they can't do these jobs right, and you can get sick. One big problem for kidneys is something called proteinuria. That's when there's too much protein in your urine, which shows that your kidneys aren't working well. This can make kidney problems worse. A lot of people have something called chronic kidney disease, CKD, which is a big worry. It affects millions of people worldwide and can lead to serious health problems. But guess what? Many cases of kidney disease can actually be stopped, and your diet is a big part of that. By knowing which foods to skip and choosing smarter options, you can lower your chances of hurting your kidneys and stay healthier for longer. In today's video, we'll talk about 6 foods that might look okay but can actually hurt your kidneys. Each food might not seem like a big deal, but together, they can be bad for kidney health. Stick around to learn how these foods can hurt your kidneys and get tips for picking better options. Before we start, let me tell you about Jane. She had kidney problems and didn't know how her diet was making things worse until it was almost too late. But by making some simple changes to what she ate, she started feeling better. So let's protect our kidneys together. Watch out for foods that could secretly be hurting them without you knowing. Your kidneys are really important, so taking care of them is super important for staying healthy. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us share more helpful info with you. Thanks for watching. Now, let's get started. So let's learn together about how to keep our kidneys healthy. Your kidneys are super important, so it's essential to take care of them. Now, let's start. 1. Processed meat. Did you know that yummy bacon or sausages might be bad for your kidneys? Processed meats like bacon, ham, sausages, and hot dogs can hurt your kidneys because they're full of salt and preservatives like phosphates. Too much salt can make your blood pressure go up, and that's not good for your kidneys. They have to work extra hard to clean your blood when your blood pressure is high. Also, the preservatives in processed meats mess up the balance of minerals in your body, like calcium and phosphorus. This can weaken your bones and make your kidneys struggle even more. Also, when you cook these meats at high temperatures, they make compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which can make your body inflamed and stressed. This makes kidney damage worse and speeds up kidney disease. All these bad things can harm the tiny filters in your kidneys, called nephrons, which clean your blood. When nephrons get damaged, your kidneys don't work well, and you might have too much protein in your urine. That's not good for your health. So, it's essential to be careful with how much processed meat you eat to keep your kidneys healthy. 2. Dairy products. Did you know that milk, cheese, and yogurt might not be great for your kidneys if you have kidney problems? Let's see why. First, they have a lot of protein, which can be bad if your kidneys aren't working well. Too much protein can make your blood have too much urea, which makes you feel tired, get headaches, and feel sick. Also, dairy products have a mineral called phosphorus, which can cause trouble for your kidneys too. When your kidneys aren't working right, the phosphorus levels in your blood can get too high. This can make your bones hurt and weak, making it easier to break them. High phosphorus levels can also hurt your heart by making your blood vessels stiff and not work well. So, if you have kidney problems, you should be careful with how much dairy you eat. Dairy is good for giving you calcium and protein, but you need to eat it in moderation to keep your kidneys safe. It's good to talk to a doctor or a dietitian to make a plan for what to eat to stay healthy while protecting your kidneys. 3. Canned vegetables. Canned veggies might seem easy, but they're not always good for your kidneys. They often have too much salt and other unhealthy stuff. One big problem with canned veggies is that they're loaded with salt. Salt helps keep them fresh, but too much salt can harm your kidneys. It can make your blood pressure go up and make your kidneys work harder. Over time, this can damage your kidneys and make kidney disease worse. But it's not just salt that's the issue. Canned veggies also have added sugars and other bad things that can hurt your kidneys and make health problems worse. So, while canned veggies are convenient, It's better to be careful and not eat them too often if you want to keep your kidneys healthy. To make canned veggies better for your kidneys, choose fresh or frozen ones instead. They usually have less salt and fewer bad things in them. If you still want canned veggies, rinse them well under water before eating. This can wash away some of the salt, making them a bit healthier. But remember, even rinsing might not get rid of all the bad stuff, so don't eat too many canned veggies. Moderation is important for kidney health. 4. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is praised for its fiber, vital for digestion and health. But for those with kidney disease, it's different. Unlike white bread, whole wheat bread has more potassium and phosphorus. These minerals are important but can be troublesome for kidneys. Too much phosphorus can harm bones and hearts by messing with calcium levels, while high potassium levels can weaken muscles and cause fatigue. For kidney patients, it's crucial to watch potassium intake to avoid complications. Although essential for nerve function and bone health, excessive phosphorus and potassium levels can harm those with kidney issues. High phosphorus levels can raise the risk of heart disease and bone problems by disrupting calcium absorption and causing mineral imbalances. This can weaken bone density and lead to cardiovascular complications, worsening the challenges for kidney disease patients. Similarly, elevated potassium levels can cause hyperkalemia, marked by dangerously high potassium levels in the blood. This can result in muscle weakness, fatigue, and life-threatening heart irregularities. Monitoring potassium intake is crucial for individuals with kidney disease, as their kidneys may struggle to regulate potassium levels effectively, preventing complications. While whole wheat bread provides essential fiber and nutrients, those with kidney disease should use caution. It's best to moderate consumption and possibly limit or monitor intake to prevent high potassium and phosphorus levels. 5. Bananas, with their natural sweetness and convenient packaging, have long been celebrated as a nutritious snack packed with essential nutrients. However, for individuals with compromised kidney function, the potassium content in bananas can present a significant risk to their health and well-being. Potassium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including nerve function and blood pressure regulation. Bananas are particularly rich in potassium, with a medium-sized banana containing approximately 422 milligrams of this essential nutrient. While potassium is generally beneficial for most individuals, excessive intake can be dangerous for those with kidney disease. For individuals with compromised kidney function, the kidneys may struggle to regulate potassium levels effectively, leading to a condition known as hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is characterized by excessively high levels of potassium in the blood, which can have serious implications for heart health and overall well-being. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can range from mild to severe and may include muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heart rhythms. Due to the dangers of high potassium intake, people with kidney disease should be careful when eating potassium-rich foods like bananas. Instead, they can choose fruits with lower potassium levels, such as apples, berries, or grapes, which offer similar health benefits without raising potassium levels too much. 6. Potatoes and tomatoes. Potatoes and tomatoes are common ingredients in many dishes and add flavor to meals. However, for individuals with kidney disease, these seemingly harmless vegetables can be problematic due to their high potassium content. Potassium is a crucial mineral necessary for various bodily functions, like nerve and muscle activity. Yet excessive potassium intake can be risky for those with kidney issues, leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. For instance, a medium-sized potato contains about 900 milligrams of potassium, while a medium tomato has approximately 290 milligrams. These levels can quickly elevate potassium in the blood of people with kidney disease. To enjoy potatoes and tomatoes safely while managing potassium intake, individuals with kidney disease can try simple strategies. For potatoes, soaking potato slices in a mix of water and vinegar or lemon juice can reduce their potassium content. This acidic soak helps draw out potassium from the potatoes, making them safer to eat for people with kidney disease. Similarly, for tomatoes, peeling and removing seeds can lower their potassium levels. Most of the potassium in tomatoes is found in the skin and seeds, so getting rid of them can significantly decrease the fruit's potassium content. By taking these extra steps, individuals can still enjoy the taste and health benefits of potatoes and tomatoes without risking hyperkalemia. In conclusion, it's important to acknowledge how even small changes in your diet can greatly protect your kidney health. Have you found healthier options that suit your dietary requirements? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful updates. Let's continue our journey towards better kidney health together. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please like and subscribe to not miss out on similar content in the future. Share your thoughts in the comments. We value your feedback. Your support means a lot, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and take care.